There were failures at multiple levels at the jail.
Attorney Nick DiCello says some of those failures at the Lorain County Jail led to his client, Jeffrey Fry, becoming partially paralyzed and surgically scarred for the rest of his life. DiCello says this surveillance video from May of 2023 shows now former corrections officer Brian Tellier slamming Fry headfirst into a concrete wall. Tellier can then be seen dragging Fry's limp body into a vestibule and tossing him onto a gurney. After Sheriff Jack Hall took office in January, he fired Tellier for excessive force. Tellier now faces criminal charges of felonious assault. DiCello says when he investigated this incident, he found the sheriff's office didn't have a qualified doctor or nurse on staff to treat or even assess Fry's injuries. Records show they did have a licensed practical nurse. But Ohio law states an LPN is authorized to practice only when the practice is directed by a registered nurse or a physician or physician assistant.
That's a systemic problem.
Why is that? Why is that so important?
Because the level of training and experience and expertise when you have folks, this challenging situation, is somebody suffering from alcohol withdrawal, somebody suffering from drug toxicity, does somebody have a spinal cord injury? These are medical assessments that need to be made promptly by a qualified medical professional. And to put an LPN in that position is not fair to her. It's not fair to the members of the community who are in the jail. It's not fair to the correctional staff who are relying on these medical people, because it's something that's outside their scope.
We reached out to Tellier for comment and haven't heard back. Sheriff Hall tells me he first learned about the medical staffing issue this past April. That's when he placed a registered nurse on every shift. Tellier's set to go on trial next month for this case. Plus, he's also facing separate charges of child endangerment. We'll stay on top of this one and keep you posted. Mike Mason, 19 News.